Ever feel like the digital world is just waiting to get you? New threats emerge daily, making our online lives feel constantly vulnerable. We've tried firewalls, antivirus, even just hoping for the best. But traditional defenses often struggle against sophisticated, evolving attacks. That's where AI comes in, and honestly, I was skeptical at first. But the potential for smarter, faster defense is undeniable. Imagine systems learning, adapting, and neutralizing threats before they even hit. It's like having an invisible, hyper-intelligent guardian for your data. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's our best shot at staying ahead. If you're excited about AI defending our digital future, comment yes.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep watching and stay tuned. Bye bye.